What should we do for our teaser? Found this hammer. Let's get a good look at this hammer. Looks like it's made out of rubber and steel. It could really do some damage to something. Can't wreck anything like worth anything. How about this? This should do. Man, these things are very sturdy until you hit them with a hammer. Then they break. I think this is the battery. Something smells funny. Should salvage this. Or not. We're done here. Modern art. This is the direction we take with all our movies. Up. What he said.